Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today let me show you all my paintings I did in recent times. Also I will share stories behind some paintings and from where I learned. 2 years back I started my childhood hobby again, that is painting. I just started painting on this A4 drawing book. This was my first painting of Diego Maradona. This video is already available on my channel. I traced this outline from reference image and filled it with black color. This one I learned from YouTube. My family liked and appreciated this painting, though I didn't like this drawing much, but it motivated me to draw more and I started practicing more. I am a huge fan of FC Barcelona, so I tried one of my favorite player, though I couldn't draw his face properly, but I got his action right. This painting boosted my confidence a lot. This I learned from YouTube. I'll mention this YouTube channel names on the screen. You can check out if interested. This is again from YouTube. Here I had brought brushes from Amazon. I got amazed by the effect every brush was giving. Before this I used only one brush for all painting. Image source YouTube. I was watching a documentary on YouTube and took this screenshot of this landscape and painted it. This is Ondha Fort, Maharashtra. This I learned from Draw with Shiba YouTube channel, one of my favorite painting channel. There he painted with watercolors and I tried same with the poster colors. Night sky. This I learned from UR Art Studio YouTube channel. There he painted with acrylic colors. I tried similar effect with poster colors. I used bristle brush for this distress effect. This one I uploaded on this channel for beginners. Vibrant sky. I tried replicating watercolor painting here. This was the last painting on this book. After this I bought thick pages to draw. This was my first painting on thick page. It boosted my confidence to another level. There was no looking back from here. After this I started painting often. This reference image was watercolor, so this painting also looks like watercolor. This time-lapse is uploaded on my channel. This I painted using Camlin watercolor tubes. But since the paper is thin for watercolor, I couldn't use much water and painted it like poster color. These watercolors are dull compared to poster colors. This painting video is there on this channel. This Sydney-like painting also available on this channel. Image source Pinterest. I notice yellow and orange color gives the best effect for silhouette paintings. This painting is available on this channel. Along with this, I also tried acrylic paints on canvas. I downloaded and traced this image from net. This is not my art. I wanted this pop art for my room, so I did. Another silhouette painting. I covered my painting with plastic to protect them from dust and moisture. Waterfall painting. Fawn in the wild. This is one of my favorite canvas painting. This is my first biggest canvas painting. I am still learning. If you like any of my painting, please let me know in comments. I will be happy to know. Hope you enjoyed my journey of art. Wish to see your response through likes or comments. From last couple of weeks, my video views and recommendation dropped sharply. Might be due to YouTube algorithm. It's sad and disappointing to see some of my videos struggling to get even 10 views, and I solely rely on organic traffic. So I request you, if you found this video or channel interesting, do convey your message through likes or comments. And if you love doing DIY and other stuff, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will try my best to bring the quality content on this channel. That's it for today, people. Hope to see you soon with something new. Till then, be creative and keep creating. Peace.